Thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to be talking about the auto add line item functionality, and this was released in early 2024, and as the name suggests, this is the ability to have FCC automatically create new line items whenever a new quote is created. To access, you'd go under the Admin Auto Add Line Items navigation bar. This functionality is turned off by default, so you'll just have to turn this feature on whenever you're ready to use it. When you first come into the screen, there's no line items automatically populated here, but to create a new one, simply click on the little plus icon, and that will bring up a dialog window with all the basic information that you would expect inside of a line item. So I'm going to create just some sample data here so we can see how this plays out. Now, one of the neat things about this functionality is you can have all sorts of control about when this line item should be created. So depending on your environment, you'll have different conditions down here at the bottom. For this demo environment, I can have this line item only created under two different scenarios, a particular sales group or a particular customer. So these are optional, and you might have more like order types or different additional conditions depending on your environment. But that's basically saying I can have a couple of these automatically created for everyone, some of these just for a sales group, or maybe just another handful just for a particular customer. In this case, I'll leave this wide open so it will create this line item for all new quotes. There we go. Now I've loaded this one up. So I have a simple test product. I'm using Han as my sample vendor. It's going to ship right to the customer and one simple line item. So now whenever I go to create a brand new quote, I'll just pick one here. Now it automatically creates it down at the bottom. This can be regular line items, cost only line items, or any line item that you can create in FCC. You can have it automatically create in the future. Now, if I go back up to my auto add line item, I'm going to add one that is conditional. For example, I'm going to say that this one here for Han, kind of the same thing I did before. So I'm going to leave everything blank, and I'm going to say I'm only going to create this for my government sales group. So I'm going to save this one here. So now if I go back through the same process I just did, but do it to a different sales group, we'll see that this one does not get created. So I'll pick a different sales group now, and now I'll do commercial sales. And we'll see that that was the only one. If I duplicate those same steps here, create a new quote, pick the government sales, I'll see both of those now are created. So you can set up all sorts of conditions so that the line items are automatically created in whatever scenario that makes the most sense for your dealership. There's lots of functionality here, and there's lots of ways to customize it, so feel free to try it out on your own, or of course, if you have any sort of issues or questions or comments, you can always reach back out to our support team, and we'll be happy to walk you through every step of the way, or simply do it for you. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day.